Strategy for music event sponsorship call. To all brands, here's a strategic approach for creating a compelling sponsorship call to all brands for a music event. Goal: secure sponsorships from brands by demonstrating how supporting your music event aligns with their marketing objectives. Craft a clear and irresistible sponsorship proposal. Key elements to include: event overview, name, date, location, expected audience size, and demographic. Event appeal: what makes this music event unique? Artists, theme, social reach, cultural relevance. Audience data: age groups, interests, buying power, geographic locations, digital behavior. Marketing reach: media coverage, digital promotion, social media partnerships, influencer tie-ins. Brand exposure opportunities: logo placements on stage, merchandise, wristbands, tickets, mentions in press and social media booths, or product activation, sponsored segments, or artist-exclusive VIP experiences too. Tailor sponsorship tiers. Offer tiered packages, platinum, gold, silver, partner, with 1. Scalable investment levels, 2. Corresponding levels of visibility and benefits, 3. Custom packages for major brands.